Hey everyone, the Lenovo Legion C700 represents a different approach to handheld gaming, focusing on cloud streaming instead of raw local processing power. Developed in partnership with Tencent, the device is designed for players who want access to modern games without carrying around the powerful hardware typically required to run them. At first glance, the Legion C700 looks every bit like a member of Lenovo's Legion family. The teaser images reveal a clean white finish with an ergonomic layout inspired by modern game controllers. The controls feature an asymmetrical stick arrangement similar to Xbox controllers, which has become the preferred layout for many gamers thanks to its comfortable positioning during long gaming sessions. A traditional D-pad, responsive-looking A/B/X/Y buttons, rear trigger buttons, and integrated cooling vents suggest that Lenovo has paid attention to both comfort and functionality, even though the device isn't expected to house the powerful processors found in larger handheld gaming PCs. The design appears compact and portable, making it easier to carry than devices such as the Lenovo Legion Go or other Windows-based gaming handhelds. Since cloud gaming eliminates the need for high-performance graphics chips and large cooling systems, the Legion C700 can potentially achieve a thinner profile and lower overall weight. The heart of the Legion C700 is Tencent Start, Tencent's cloud gaming platform. Instead of installing and rendering games directly on the handheld, players stream them from remote servers that handle all of the demanding graphics processing. As long as users have a fast and stable internet connection, they can theoretically enjoy visually demanding AAA titles without worrying about processor limitations, graphics settings, or storage capacity. One of the biggest advantages of this approach is affordability. High-end handheld gaming PCs often require expensive processors, dedicated graphics hardware, and advanced cooling systems, all of which contribute to higher prices. Battery life may also benefit from this cloud-focused design, since the handheld is primarily responsible for displaying streamed content and processing user inputs rather than rendering complex graphics locally. Power consumption could be significantly lower than on devices running demanding games natively. The user interface shown in promotional images reinforces the cloud-first philosophy. Instead of highlighting installed games or local applications, the display presents a catalog of Tencent Start titles that can be launched almost instantly. The partnership between Lenovo and Tencent is also notable because it builds upon an earlier attempt to enter the cloud gaming market. The companies previously worked together on the Legion Play, a handheld that was ultimately canceled before reaching consumers. Overall, the Lenovo Legion C700 appears to be an intriguing evolution of portable gaming. Instead of trying to outperform powerful handheld PCs through increasingly expensive hardware, it embraces cloud technology to deliver high-quality gaming in a lighter, simpler, and potentially more affordable package. If Lenovo can combine responsive controls, a high-quality display, long battery life, reliable wireless performance, and competitive pricing, the Legion C700 could become a compelling option for gamers who value convenience and portability over local processing power. While many questions remain ahead of its official launch, the early concept suggests that Lenovo is betting on cloud gaming becoming an increasingly important part of the future handheld gaming market. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day and God bless you.